let's see the navigation controls inside of Nuke. Simple and easy to understand. You press Alt and left mouse click to pan, middle mouse click to zoom in and zoom out. Now if you point your mouse to your viewer and you scroll, you get the same controls. So the controls are same. You can also do that in the timeline. Simple. So Alt and left mouse click drag to pan, mouse scroll wheel to zoom in, zoom out. The same for the node graph, for the viewer. So you press F to fit and H to fill. So that's same. The H is which will stick you. Either you change your layout, or it will stick your screen to the full screen type thing. Now you can also spacebar, and you see that you maximize a pane of Nuke. You press spacebar once again, and you get back to the whole interface. Now I can do that for the node graph also. And I can also do that for properties pane and the node graph or toolbar. Sorry. So Nuke is very customizable and very good when it comes to navigation and all that stuff. Now you also have this little box. You can also click and drag it. Okay. Now this is to navigation. This is your navigation controls. Now for instance, if my node is one node is here and one node is here, and I'm just seeing this node, for example. Okay. So now you can see that I have my whole node graph, which is up here. I can drag and I can see a node, right? Like that. And I told you can also rescale it like that. You can press F to frame whole node graph, or click a node and press F to frame that node. Alright, so I'll frame whole node graph and I'll reset it. Okay, like that. Go up here. Okay, so it's easy for us. Like that. Now, once you drop a node by selecting a node, if I drop a blur node, the blur node comes between the other blur node and the checkerboard, because I dropped the blur node by selecting the checkerboard node. If I don't select any node and I drop a new node, it will be unconnected to any node, so you have to make a connection. Now some nodes will not connect in the pipeline even if you click on the node. That's because Nuke doesn't allow you to connect between nodes which are not allowed to connect. So we'll see that later when it comes to 3D. So that sums up the navigation inside of Nuke. Obviously we have 3D view which has different navigation controls, but we'll see that when we come to 3D part of Nuke. So that sums up for this 2D viewer of Nuke, the navigation controls. In the next movie we'll see the on-screen controls, which is situated up here and here. So I'll see you guys in the next movie.